Welcome to my videos. So guys, I have some good news to share. So the province of Ontario, Canada has finally shared its reopening plan, and it is not like color coded system as we had seen earlier in the past year and even during the earlier months of this year. It is now based on sector specific. They have been targeting specific sectors, and this reopening is in accordance with the vaccination rate. I mean, the more people get vaccinated, more activities are allowed, and this is what other provinces like Saskatchewan is also following. So what it says that when 60% of adults in this province have at least one dose of the vaccine, then it comes in phase one. There are three phases. So phase one, they have set it, so it's gonna be like when 60% of adults have, then 14 days later they're gonna have like first phase where they will allow larger outdoor gathering, like small outdoor gatherings like up to 5 people they are allowing from this weekend itself, and they are opening the outdoor amenities where the social distancing can be maintained, like golf, tennis and all those things can be done. But with this phase one, that is like 2 weeks after we reach 60% of first dosage, or June 14. It may happen before June 14 as well, because we are already, I think till yesterday it was 58.5%. So sooner we reach 60, then 2 weeks later they can go up to phase one. So they will allow non-essential retails to open, essential retail like 25%, some religious services, day camps, and so many other things are gonna reopen, and that I'm gonna share with you the link if you wanna read the full. Then 21 days later, when we have like 70% of the population have at least one dose, 70% adults I mean must say, and then out of that 20% have got both fully vaccinated. Then we have like they have allowed large outdoor gatherings 25 people, and at the same time they're allowing small indoor gathering of 5 people, outdoor dining for 5 people, 6 people per table, essential retail at 50% capacity, non-essential at 25% capacity, and so many other activities they are allowing. In the third phase, when up to 70 to 80% people are, I mean 21 days after this phase, are having at least one dose and 25% are fully vaccinated, they are going to expand indoor gatherings where face covering cannot be worn, like restaurants, right? You cannot have a face cover and eat inside a restaurant. So a lot of other restrictions are also be gonna loosened. So that means they are targeting as per the early plan for this summer. Now what we can do from our side, like if we know somebody who is not vaccinated, we can tell them, hey, go and get vaccinated, because the sooner we get vaccinated, earlier the restrictions are going to be lifted. And who wants to live under restrictions? Nobody, right? And but at the same time everyone wants safety as well. So if you have not vaccinated yet, then go ahead. If you know somebody who is not vaccinated, tell them to get vaccinated, because the more number of people get, sooner we will get. And now every adult in the province is eligible to book a vaccine shot, and at many places even 12 plus people, 12 plus people can get their shots as well. And I was checking, like in various places there are so many appointments available, you can just book and go. There are so many walk-in clinics also, so it's not a difficult task to get a vaccine shot now because of high number of arrival. So hopefully things improve soon down the line, and I'll keep you guys updated whatever is happening over here. Thanks for watching.